real quick here, Coach Jay. Just want to say really dig you in here in chat. We really appreciate what you share, and you're here most of the day, aren't you?
Yeah, I try to hang out most of the day when I'm trading. I'm in the chat listening to TopstepTV just like everyone else is as well. So thanks. And Eddie, of course, I get to say it as many times as I can. Thank you for the invite to the Topstep team. Eddie's the one who's just like, hey, I think you'd be pretty good as a coach. Yeah, so shout out to you, Eddie.
Dakota had a really good closing trade event, and you could see his exit being liquidity. That pushed the market up into the next space because everything was so thin. It was fascinating, Andre. Absolutely fascinating.
All right, so Carl, we scraped a couple of these from your Twitter. Just want to get your insight and have the artist talk to us directly.
Oh, so yeah, we storyboarded this with the team when Dakota, said he was the VWAP, right? So we scribbled these notes on the ridiculous things you guys say. So just know we're putting this stuff together and we're putting these things out lickety split. So be careful.
We're still in structure. Everyone calm down.
I didn't want. Like this.
Take it out on 5, flat. Bam, baby. Got him.
Nice. Well done.
I just hit enter on the dollar amount. I did 100. I got me down to $100,000. So I'm at 1333. So it did go through. I took out $130,000. $133,000 on that one. So.